Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how some Adopt Me players have all those amazing pets and legendary items? It's not just luck, it's about smart strategies. Today, we're diving into how you can effectively profit in Adopt Me. It's about building value, making smart decisions, and understanding the game's economy. Get ready to transform your gameplay into a true success story. Trading is the heart of Adopt Me's economy, and it's where much of your profit potential lies. The key is understanding item values. Before you trade, take a moment to check popular community tier lists. They're super helpful. Always aim for trades that add value to your inventory, perhaps even a slight overpay. This careful approach helps you build your wealth steadily and securely. Building your asset base starts with smart acquisition. Hatching eggs is a fantastic way to potentially acquire rare and highly sought-after pets. Don't forget the power of daily tasks. Those small rewards add up quickly, providing the currency you need. And always participate in special game events. They often offer unique, limited-time items that can become incredibly valuable over time, boosting your profit potential significantly. Once you have pets, it's time to grow them strategically. An aged pet, particularly a legendary one, is always worth more than a newborn. The real game changer, though, is creating neon and mega neon versions. These command top-tier trades due to the time and effort involved. Focus your energy on aging pets that are currently popular or rare, ensuring your hard work translates directly into higher profits. Finally, remember the power of diversification and patience. Don't put all your eggs or pets into one basket. A varied inventory offers more trading options. Some items and pets will naturally appreciate over a longer period, so holding onto them can be very profitable. Adopt Me profiting is a marathon, not a sprint. With consistent effort and smart choices, your in-game empire will surely grow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.